Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching your Instagram to dark mode on iOS. You can't actually do this from within the Instagram app. You do it by activating dark mode in your iPhone settings. Once you are in your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Under Appearance, enable dark mode. Note that doing this will likely enable dark mode on some of your other apps too. Now we can go back to the Instagram app, and as you can see, dark mode has been enabled. It really is much easier on the eyes, and personally I leave dark mode on all the time now. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tutorials.